Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia here, and today our video is going to be STEM because today we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to learn English. If you are new here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our language learning content. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT to learn English, and today we are going to start this amazing video for you, my viewers. Come on, I'm going to share with you my laptop screen so you can learn easily with me. 2, 3, start. Hey, I'm gonna share with you my laptop screen so you can easily watch that how to use ChatGPT to learn English. Yes, this is our ChatGPT. With the use of ChatGPT, you can improve your English, and the main thing which I love that you can create conversation between two friends, and this is amazing one and fantastic. So we're gonna write here. We will say to ChatGPT, please tell us how to do conversation between two friends in English. So we are going to press enter. Wow, ChatGPT gave us lot of lengthy conversation. Oh my gosh. Yes. We start. Okay, I'm gonna read it for you, 2 lines. Friend, hey there, how it's going? Friend 2, hey, not bad, just trying to survive another Monday. You can learn languages in English, you can learn conversational talks, and you can learn and consistently mimic that words. Then you can easily your tongue become habitual to talk in English. So you can see so lengthy uh, provided by ChatGPT, and it's one of the best tool. I love to use it. Now we are moved to second. What we will write here to learn English? Think. Yes, we are going to write that teach ChatGPT. Please teach me how to pronounce entrepreneur. Okay, I think so. My spelling is wrong. Yes, now. No problem. ChatGPT will correct your spelling also. Wow, ChatGPT explain is such a unique way. The word entrepreneur is pronounced as entrepreneur. Yes, it's explained in such a great way. I really like it. Here is a breakdown. Uh, and it ChatGPT will explain and also tell that how to give stress, where to give stress, and what time, and syllable by syllable you have to talk. Syllable by syllable means sounds, that how you have to pronounce the sound. So I love it. Gives me a tremendous happiness whenever I use ChatGPT to learn English. Now the third one is list of words. Okay, ChatGPT give us list of words. I think ChatGPT is my friend because whenever I say ChatGPT, please do this and give me information, then she give me every kind of information. With so we are where we were. pronunciation. Explain briefly. Briefly. Oh my gosh. With stickers. ChatGPT also provides stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He is explaining in such a unique way. I don't know he or she is. But where is my stickers, ChatGPT? Okay, ChatGPT also provides stickers. Yeah. I think ChatGPT forget. So that's why sometimes he become insane because he wants to provide a lot of material. That's why sometimes I think he need almonds to eat. But I think it's really fantastic that ChatGPT provide whatever we say. So here is in detail. He give pronunciation guides as well with brief explanation and list of words. Along with the list of words, look, he also give explanation that what is entrepreneur means, a person who starts and operates a business taking on financial risk in the hope of profit. So he explained in such a unique way. So with the stickers as well. So another thing which I am going to explain is that this is one of the good application, which is good application. Okay, say to ChatGPT, please tell us best applications to improve English. Wow, wow, wow. So it's give lot of amazing thing. TED Talks always my favorite one, and dictionary. I use all this applications for my English learning, and I really love you, ChatGTP. You are one of the best one. And if the last one is the study plan. Okay, ChatGPT, now give me a study plan. Study plan for me speaking English in a tabular form. Phrases form. Okay. Press enter. And now ChatGPT. Wow, ChatGPT, what are you doing? You create it in such stunning way. I really like it. And it's also give me notes, extra notes that give me study plan of everyday study plan for me that I think this is 1 week study plan Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and my daily consistency journaling 10 minutes, write short daily journal. It's really amazing, and he also give me notes. He or she, I don't know, but it's outstanding. Adjusting the duration based on your availability and comfort level. So this is the tricks you can use ChatGPT for learn English, whatever you want to say. Make ChatGPT your friend. Whatever you want to talk with ChatGPT, ChatGPT is always here. You have to in this 2024. You have to collab with the tools. That tools will help you to make engaging material and everything you can do with AI tools, but you have a brain that how to use that material. Hello, you see how we use ChatGPT to learn English? It's stunning and amazing one. The one thing which I love to do with the ChatGPT always the study planning, and in the tabular form, which is one of the best one. So if you want to learn more English, topics and tools related to English, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and you will watch the videos and my outstanding work. You will watch it. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Learn interesting